If you want to check the rank position of a video on YouTube for a specific keyword, the first step is to put your target keyword into the blank field, and then choose your target country. Select the country where you want your video to rank, such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or any other country. Next, choose the device type you want to track, desktop or mobile. For this demonstration, we've already optimized a video for the keyword Amazon Prime Free. Now paste your YouTube video URL here and click Check Rank. The tool will scan whole YouTube in your selected country and check whether your video is ranking for the target keyword. As you can see, my target keyword is Amazon Prime Free, my target country is the United States, and on desktop, my video is currently ranking in position number 2. You can open the ranked video directly from here, and you can also start tracking this keyword for future analyzing. The tool also provides detailed ranking insights, including your current ranking position, ranking history, momentum, and other important SEO metrics. Below that, you'll see the top ranking competitor videos. For example, the first competitor has around 11,000 views, while another competitor has 12,000 views, and another has 47,000 views. Even with competitors that have significantly more views, my video is still ranking in position number 2, showing that proper SEO can outperform videos with higher view counts. You can also view your ranking history. For example, my video previously ranked in position number 2, then moved to position number 1, and is currently back in position number 2. Tracking your ranking history helps you understand how your video's performance changes over time. Also provides SEO recommendations. By following these recommendations, you can further optimize your video, improve your rankings, and attract more views. You can also monitor all of your tracked keywords from one place. For example, if I search for one of my tracked keywords, I can instantly see its current ranking position. Now, let's check the search volume of this keyword. Open the Keyword Research tool. Enter the keyword. Select the United States as the target country, choose the desired difficulty level, and click Search. As you can see, this keyword has a search volume of 314, and its difficulty level is possible. You can also view its global search volume, which is 170. Before targeting any keyword, I always analyze it using the Keyword Research tool. This helps me choose the right keywords, improve my SEO strategy, and achieve better rankings on YouTube.